Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the ZRQ store on Amazon. These are their 18-inch goddess crochet locks. It's synthetic hair and the color is T350. The locks are also pretty soft, and the set comes with 8 packs of hair with 16 locks in each for a total of 128 locks. Some of the locks have 3 curly strands of hair with one at the top, middle, and end, and others only have 2 curly strands with one at the top of the lock and another at the end of it. But the curls are a pretty color. They go from an ombre color of black to a dark red copper color. And I just wanted to shout out my amazing boyfriend who made me this trifold mirror so that I could do my hair on the go. We're currently in a hotel room, but back to my hair. So I have braided my hair into about 80 individual braids. I used Shine and Jam on my roots and Cream of Nature argan oil throughout my braids and on the ends of them to seal the braid and create a curl. And it took me about 7 hours to braid my hair. It was a little more difficult than usual because the room didn't have the best lighting, and I didn't bring all the lights that I normally use at home. And the hair also came with a crochet hook. So to start crocheting the hair, I take the lock that I'll be using and I open up its pre-loop. Then I grab my crochet hook, open it up, and I insert it underneath the start of my braid, attach it to the lock, close the hook, and I pull my lock through. I then remove the crochet hook. I put my pointer finger and my thumb through the pre-loop like so, and I pull the lock and braid through at the same time. I then pull on the lock and braid to create a knot and secure the lock in place. Once that's done, I grab my crochet hook again, but I make sure to keep the curl out of my way so that I don't tangle or make the curl frizzy. I then insert the crochet hook into the lock a few inches down from the start of it. And I push the crochet hook all the way through to the top. I open the hook, attach the end or middle of the braid, and I pull the braid through. Then I scrunch and twist the lock to tighten it around my braid. It also hides the braid better that way. Then I just repeat that step until the braid is all the way hidden in the lock.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So it took me another 6 hours to crochet my hair, and my pointer fingers are a little sore. Normally I braid my hair one day and crochet the next, but I did this all in one day. but the hair does look nice and vibrant. I used about 5 packs of hair, so I have 3 left. And the hair is pretty versatile with the way I crocheted it. You can style or part it any way you want, put it up in a ponytail, do whatever. But let me know what you thought of this style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.